Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm currently on a weight loss journey. I've lost over 40 pounds from my highest weight and recently gained a few of those pounds back during my last vacation. So I'm on a weight loss journey to lose these vacation pounds through intermittent fasting and low carb diet. So I'm trying to get back on track and lose those vacation pounds. So yeah, if you're on a weight loss journey as well, I would love for you guys to subscribe so we can motivate each other. I know sometimes we all need motivation. I know I do. So if you guys are on a weight loss journey or currently thinking about getting on a weight loss journey, go ahead and subscribe so you guys won't miss any new videos. I'm trying to upload as much as I can about my journey and be as real and honest as I could be about it, because it's not the easiest thing. So I just feel like if I can put myself out there and help motivate somebody out there, then that's awesome, because I love motivating people. I love seeing other people's success and it just motivates me so much. But with that being said, I'm super excited about today's video because today I'm making an enchilada recipe. Who doesn't love to eat good food but still be low carb? I do. So I actually came across, if you guys are not familiar with her name is Susana Rico. I'm sure a lot of you are. She actually posted a couple weeks ago her enchilada recipe for like a healthier version of enchiladas, and I was so inspired, and I love enchiladas. I always have, but they're not like super healthy. So she actually posted a healthier version and I decided I wanted to give it a shot. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm super excited for it because I'm starving. I actually haven't broken my fast yet because I do fast. I'm about to hit my 20th hour, which is crazy. Like, I'm not crazy hungry, but I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a healthier version of enchiladas today. So if you guys want to learn how to make them, then go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so it's super easy. All we're gonna really need to make the chile is chiles guajillo or chiles California. It can be either or, so I'm just using 5 of them today. Like a half piece of a garlic, a little bit of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt today, so that's for the chile. And then of course you're gonna need the tortillas, the sour cream, and then for your toppings, it just depends what you like, but I'm just putting lettuce, sour cream, some cheese, and it's really personal preference. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I like the queso cacique one. And then of course some salsa. You can make some homemade salsa, but I have some store-bought one, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. And then instead of oil, we're gonna be using Pam to make the tortilla. So I'll go ahead and show you guys. All right, so the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna take the chiles and put them in some boiling water. But before you do that, you want to make sure you take out all the seeds and stuff from inside. I had already done that, so I'm just gonna take my chiles and put them to boil along with the garlic. So while that's boiling, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about these tortillas. Like I said, I saw this recipe from Susana Rico. So she mentioned these tortillas from Trader Joe's, and so I went ahead and went to go grab them. Honestly, I was like 99 cents, I'll take them. But I was thinking they were gonna be a little bit more low carb. Now, I'm low carb, I'm not keto, so since low carb is a little bit more flexible with carbs, these are gonna be good for me, but if you're keto, they're not gonna be that great. It just depends. So I feel like everything with moderation is good, because I mean, if you're eating healthy, but you're eating too many calories, then that's not gonna be very effective for weight loss. But I feel like everything with moderation should be fine. What I really liked about these tortillas though is it only has 3 ingredients. It says it has stone ground corn, water, traces of lime, and that's it. So I'm excited to try these. I'm excited to see what the flavor's like. The macros for these are 23 net carbs for 2. So like around 11.5 net carb for each enchilada, which I feel like is really good if you're low carb, but if you're keto, it might be a little bit up there. So I'm just gonna have 2 today, so that means I'm only gonna be having like 23 net carbs worth of these. All right, you guys, so now that the chiles are boiling, we're gonna go ahead and add them to the blender. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the water from the chiles to blend it with. That way it gives it more flavor. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a tiny bit of salt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour it in a bowl in a container. So it came out a little bit more watery than I wanted it to, but it's fine. It's still gonna come out really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the skillet. I forgot to mention when I was showing you guys my ingredients, you're gonna need chicken. I have some chicken that I actually boiled the other day, and it's just chicken breast. Ooh, they're nice and tender. But you can either use chicken breast or just add cheese. I like eating them with just cheese in the middle too, but if you want to add some protein, then chicken would be good. So I just have some chicken here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying the skillet with some Pam. And then you can actually, I like to heat up my tortillas first before I put them in there. So you can either heat them up in the microwave or heat them up in a comal. But I'm just gonna heat them up in the microwave for like maybe 15 seconds. I'm gonna put a little extra. So this is the healthy part because instead of putting a bunch of oil on it, you're gonna fry it with just some Pam or whatever you have, some cooking spray. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the tortilla inside of the chile. I'm just gonna leave it there for a good maybe 20 seconds each side. It doesn't really take that long for it to be done. And turn. And now I'm gonna add some more spray. And then again, just like 20 seconds each side. It doesn't take a whole lot of time for it to be done. I like them a little bit crispy though, so sometimes I'll leave it a little bit longer. Just because I like the edges getting really crispy. I like that crispy taste. So I'm only having 2, but I'm gonna go ahead and make 4. That way I have some for tomorrow, and my lunch is gonna be just ready to be microwaved. All right, so now that the tortillas are done, I'm gonna go ahead and just add the chicken. Ooh, I can feel the edges nice and crispy. And just like that, they're done. You just add whatever toppings you like. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of lettuce. And then I'm adding some light sour cream. Alright you guys, I am so excited to try these. When I'm telling you I'm fasting, I am not joking. It's been almost 21 hours into my fast. So I am starving and I can't wait to try these out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test for you guys. They taste exactly like regular tortillas, like if they were fried with regular oil. These are so good. So I definitely recommend you guys make them. If you guys do, please make sure to comment down below and let me know how you like them. Can't wait until next week, and I'm probably gonna make them again. But so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this last enchilada. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please let me know. Let me know if you make it, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and healthy meals. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.